how you work this thing. Yo, what is up, YouTube? I am starting the vlog today. Yesterday, Anthony has picked up something for his Subi, which will make a big difference.
I'm ready for that low life.
He's ready. So he picked up BC Racing coilovers from our longtime friend at Matthew, and he got it for a good deal, so he couldn't pass it up. You ready?
Yeah.
Or you gonna clean it first?
I'm gonna clean it first, and then we're gonna get started with the coilovers. Alright, so we got the right side wheel, rear wheel off. Pretty easy. Now we just gotta, it's just these 3 bolts right here we have to loosen so that we can get this rear control arm, lower control arm off. And then there's gonna be 2 bolts up top for the stock strut that you have to take off. We already got in all the carpet. It's simple, just all the pop clips, and then it's right there. Just want to loosen that. That's why it's good to have 2 people, so that while you're loosening this, you have someone holding the strut on the bottom. Just got the bolts out. Sorry I lied to you guys. We actually left that bolt in. We left this one in, and we took out the one that goes there. That's mounted right there. Now just gotta unbolt the strut from the top, and this should come right out.
First one
out. Look at that, look at the difference. And then I'm gonna close this gap right here so we can go low life. We got the adjustments down. We maxed this out. I know there's some thread left here, but it already bottomed out on this part. So time to do the other side. We got both rears in the back installed. Got everything back into place. Time to jack down the car and see how the rears look. I feel like it's gonna tuck. What you think?
Oh yeah.
It's guaranteed. We maxed both sides out. This side was kind of a bitch because the bolts to the end link was a bitch. So good thing there's 2 of us. Make it way easier. We're putting blocks or pieces of wood underneath just in case the floor jack can't clear. The moment of truth. You ready? Oh man, look at that fitment. I know it's not settled in yet, but you can't even put a finger in there. Shit. Compared to the front, 3 fingers. It's clean, huh?
It's clean.
Oh,
we just gotta do the front.
time to do the front.
It's gonna be a nice car.
See you guys in a bit.
So we just took out the right side strut, and this thing's actually pretty heavy, to be honest. So it's always good to have 2 people. Compared to this one, so light. So as of right now, we are torquing it down, and yeah, it was actually pretty fast. So I'm gonna go ahead, torque it down, and do the next side. We finally got the coilovers on both sides. Look at that little sneak peek before the whole car. As of right now, Anthony's jacking down one side, and yeah, this side was kind of tough. but we managed to get it done. So as of right now, we're just gonna lower the car and then we'll see the finished results.
Damn.
Dude, big difference.
It was 3 fingers. 3.
It was 3 fingers. Now,
Nothing.
she.
And when it settled, we got maybe 1/4 inch more.
Yeah. Woo. Damn. It looks good now.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Okay. Let me wash the car, let the spring settle, and then we can take some cinematics.
So after the job, my dad went ahead and got us some steak.
We have a gift.
And we also got some ribs cooking up.
Don't forget the corn.
Oh yeah, I can't forget the corn. Well yeah. So after we get this all cleaned up, we got some food and probably just have a few after. So yeah.
I'm not dirty.
All dirty.
It's okay.
It's alright.
Our life.
Car life.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.